Hello. My name is Galaxy. Welcome to this series. Welcome, everybody. So, you want to learn Python, right? So, what's the Python is all about? It's the big snake. I'm just kidding. Python is a programming language to do programming. You want to create apps? It's a Python. Alright? So, let's get it started. So what's the Python is used for? Python used for web development. You can create many apps. The server side apps, you can make the desktop app, mobile app, and it is also used for scientific and numeric, for data analysis. There are so many use cases for Python. You can use it for IoT, you can use for data analysis, and most recently it's very famous for AI. AI. So let's learn this language. So let's download Python. To download Python, you need to go to this URL python.org. I'll put the link in the description and head over to this download. Hover over there and you will see download for your operating system. If this is for Windows, it will say Windows, and just click on this button. Just click on save. I have already downloaded, so I will click cancel. You just go ahead and save it. Alright. Once you save it, just go over to the location of your saved file. I have downloaded it in the desktop, so I will just double click on it. And one thing, this is the Mac OS I'm using, so it will give this dashboard to install. It's just the installer, and just hit continue and also continue and read the license if you like. Just hit continue and agree, and it will take some space on your computer. Then you click install and it will install Python. Give your OS password and hit install software. Then it will install Python on your system. Alright. So it has successfully installed Python. This is for the Mac user. Just go to the terminal and type Python 3. Okay, since we are using the Python 3 version. Alright, just type Python 3 and dash version. It will show the Python 3.13.3, which we have downloaded and installed. Alright, so now the Python has been successfully installed on your Mac. And for the Windows user, I'll just open my virtual machine. Since I'm on the Mac, I don't have Windows OS, that's why. I'll head over there and I'll show how you do it. I'll go to the same URL python.org and go to downloads, and here I will click this button Python 3.13. okay, so I'll just click on it and I'll save it on my desktop, and I'll open the folder. Then I'll just double click on this. Before I hit install now, the Windows user, you have to make sure that your python.exe has to be added on the path. So click on this. Okay, always remember this, you need to do this, and hit install now. Then it is going to install your Python software on your system, on your Windows. Okay, and you can use Python. Alright, the setup is successful. I'll just close this. Okay, now I want to open terminal for this window, and I'll just search for terminal and type Python and hit enter. Here you can see the Python is running, right? So I'm just gonna exit it, and again I will do Python dash version, and it will show the Python version installed on your machine. This is Windows. Alright, so now you know how to install Python on your system. Now let's move ahead. Now the second step is to download VS Code. So why we need VS Code? Because we need to make an app, right? So we are gonna use the VS Code editor on our machine to write Python program. So let's head over to VS Code site to download it. I'll just click on this link. I'll put the link in the description, so don't worry about it, okay? And you just click on this button for Windows, and it will download the VS Code and save it. Just head over to the download folder and just double click on it. Alright, I need to run it as administrator, so I'll run as administrator, and I'll click continue, and I accept the agreement, and I'll hit next, 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 and next, and install it. Alright, it has completed the setup. Now I'll just click finish, and it will launch VS Code, which will look like this. It's the code editor, and we will use Python on it, okay? So if you want to choose the theme, just choose your theme. If you want light theme, just click on the light, it will change it. And if you want dark theme, then click on it. I prefer light theme. Now I will head over to the Mac and do the same thing. Alright, now I will just download for Mac OS. So I will just click on this button, and it will start downloading. Since I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to, I'll click on cancel. You just go ahead and click save. Alright, I'll open the downloaded folder, then I will just double click on it, unzip the file, and I will put this Visual Studio Code.app in the application folder. Alright, you can double click on it, or you can run, or you can open from here, over here, Visual. Alright, for now I'm just gonna double click on this Visual Studio Code app inside the application folder, and I will just click open. Now it will open my Visual Studio Code. Since I have already used this Visual Studio Code, it is showing the different menu. If you have set up for the first time, it will show you like a Windows to choose the theme and so on. Alright, so now I will head over to this dashboard like thing. This is called extension, and I'll click on it, and I will search for Python. So I will choose Python from the Microsoft, and here they will say install it. I will just click on install. Since I have already installed it, so I don't need to, but you just go ahead and click on install. Alright, so why we need extension? Because when we do Python programming, we need some support for this language, like an assistant. This Visual Studio Code is just the editor. Alright, it just act like a notepad plus or notepad to help you write the better code and to run your program. This extension will help you. That's why we need this extension. Now your environment is set fully. Just head over to this Explorer, just click on it. Alright, we'll do the hello world program in Python in the next episode. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.